On today's episode of What the Fuck Are You Doing Today, Steve? I'm tearing apart my hot water heater. Never a dull moment in my day. So here is the source of our issues with the heater, and I'm pretty sure the source of where all that white grit was coming from, because this heater coil is exploded. I mean, it's twisted right here because I had to turn on this part with my whole body's worth of force using this wrench. Yeah. That was in the right one. And then this is the left one. This is what it's supposed to look like. I'm assuming it was just a bad coil, because this one just looks fine. Might consider replacing both anyway. Dull moment in my day.